How to make 50,000 month online, the ultimate step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Wealth Lab. If you're tired of your 9 to 5, dreaming of financial freedom, or just wondering how people are making crazy money online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn $50,000 a month online. And no, this isn't some overnight scheme. This is real, proven stuff. So grab a notebook, stay with me till the end, and let's dive into it. Choose the right business model. The first step to making big money online is choosing the right business model. Here are some of the most profitable ones. Freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management, you can start offering your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Scale this by increasing your rates and taking on more clients. E-commerce. Start your own online store using Shopify or Etsy. You can sell physical products, digital products, or even drop shipping items without ever touching inventory. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. This is one of the easiest ways to create passive income. Online courses coaching. If you're an expert in something, whether it's fitness, digital marketing, or baking, create an online course or offer one-on-one coaching. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a blog. Once you grow an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and product sales. Pick a high-income skill. No matter the business model, you'll need valuable skills. Here are the ones that can help you earn $50,000 a month. Digital marketing. Master Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, and social media marketing. Every online business needs this. Sales copywriting. The ability to sell with words, whether through ads, emails, or websites, is one of the highest paid skills in the world. Video editing content creation. With the rise of YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, there's huge demand for good video content. Web development design. Every business needs a website. If you can design or code, you can make serious money. Build your online presence. People need to know you exist. Here's how to get visibility. Personal branding. Create social media profiles and post valuable content related to your niche. Portfolio website. Showcase your work if you're offering services. Content marketing. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog that provides helpful content in your industry. This builds trust and authority. Get your first clients or customers. If you're offering a service or selling a product, here's how to start getting clients. Cold outreach. Send personalized DMs or emails to businesses offering your services. Freelance websites. Use Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer to get your first gigs. Social media. Post valuable content and engage in relevant Facebook groups or LinkedIn conversations. Paid ads. If you're selling a product, invest in Facebook or Instagram ads to drive traffic to your website. Scale your business. Once you start earning, the goal is to scale without burning out. Here's how. Raise your prices. As your skills improve, increase your rates. Outsource. Hire virtual assistants or freelancers for repetitive tasks so you can focus on growth. Create digital products. If you're offering a service, package your knowledge into an ebook or course for passive income. Automate. Use tools like Zapier, ConvertKit, or Hootsuite to automate your workflows and marketing. Multiple income streams. Don't rely on just one source of income. Here's how to diversify. Invest in stocks or crypto. Once you're making good money, invest a portion for long-term growth. Real estate. Consider renting out properties for consistent passive income. YouTube channel. Monetize through ads and sponsorships. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn commissions. Mindset consistency. Making $50,000 a month doesn't happen overnight. You'll need patience, stay consistent even when you don't see immediate results. Resilience. Failures will happen. Learn from them and keep going. Learning. Invest in courses, mentorship, and books to improve your skills. So there you have it. You have a complete roadmap to earning $50,000 a month online. Choose a business model, master a high-income skill, get your first clients, and scale from there. It takes work, but the freedom and lifestyle you'll achieve are 100% worth it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Wealth Lab, and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started on your journey to financial freedom. See you in the next one.